understand of what to do. And so if you have better understanding of what to do, you can do well. So my name again is Meda Jimo. I'm your anchor person and then the person to just take you on the trip of this interaction tonight. And I just want to beg everyone, stay muted, and so that we can enjoy the best of these interactions. And you have any question whatsoever, and I will advise you take them, you can tablet them and then begin to encrypt them on the chat box, after the interactions. Please feel free to ask any type of question as far as related to the project. And probably some of us who have started this opportunity, some of those things you can try to educate your friend outside there, and so we can get the best out of this. Okay, this is Zeniq, and I'm going to start, of course, generally about cryptocurrency. And because I want to assume that we have a lot of us who are still, of course, new to crypto, or who have really have our hands burnt, trying to do a lot of projects because we believe they are crypto project, and eventually we lost out. So I'm going to be addressing a lot of things. And another problem, I've been saying this time without number, that the enemy of knowledge is equally knowledge. And so you can't rule it out. The enemy of knowledge is equally knowledge. And those that claim to know so much about project and how they have missed out big time because of, too much knowledge. Okay, so I'm going to start from related information about, crypto, what we used to know and what we were told, and what we have held to high esteem to be what's obtainable when it has to do with cryptocurrency. So there are parameters. So I'm going to start because a lot of us know are having issues today about the cryptos. There are parameters. So we are talking about Zeniq coin and Sapphire Global as an ecosystem. Now, many ask me, I'm just bringing all these. We have what's called Crypto Compare, is a coin aggregator, a research platform. We have what's called Coin Checkup, is a research platform and aggregator. We have what is called Mercery, is an aggregator and crypto research platform. Nomics, they are aggregator and crypto research platform. CoinGecko, they are crypto aggregator and research platform. CoinMarketCap, they are research platform and coin aggregator, as it were. So we have them so many like that, so that we are not limited to one aspect, all right, of research tool or coin aggregators. So why I'm bringing all this, because all of these things are going to come up, especially those of us who are coming into the crypto space for the first time. All these are called coin aggregators or market environment that shows you the prices of different cryptocurrency. And there's what we call diluted volume, repeated volume. And then, most time, many of us check some information on CoinMarketCap as though is it valid? No, we have some, they are reported information. And so the markets takes what was reported. Eventually, we have it more updated over and over again in the crypto market. So it shows you where you can find relevant information of a particular coin. So that's why we have CoinMarketCap. But we're used to CoinMarketCap, exchange platform, especially if you start cryptocurrency just 3-4 years ago. And I always know you ask me, I'm trading and I have Binance account, and I know that you're just a baby in the crypto. Those that have been trading for long, they are not limited to Binance. And so we know that they've been trading for a very long time. So we use certain parameters to measure a coin that is good and that's going to do well. First factor we use usually be a coin that is going to do well must not have too much of voluminous volume of coins, both in the circulating supply and total supply or maximum supply. So with that factor, we believe that such coin is going to do well. That's number one. Number two, we believe a coin is going to do well once it's listed on CoinMarketCap. Number three, we believe a coin is a very good coin if it's listed on top, like A plus, AA plus, A plus, B plus, BB, B plus exchange platform. And of course, we believe that those coins are the most healthiest coin. And for that factor, people buy into some of those cryptocurrency. Practically, no much persons want to buy into any cryptocurrency when it's not listed on an exchange platform. Now, as we begin to grow in crypto, things began to change. Of course, there are three major factors in the crypto space when you are buying, or you are coming into crypto. We said parameters of measuring coin is to check the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and the sentimental analysis, which we call market sentiment. But as we begin to grow and new things are happening, technical analysis work, but it could be contrasted or delayed. How do we mean? You may expect, like I was expecting Bitcoin to pull back, which anyone, if you in our community we've been trading, we've been saying we expect Bitcoin to pull back because it was unable to build a volume above the all-time high on time. And so we should have a consolidation. So I'm driving somewhere so that somebody can understand. Okay, we said the guy was unable to build a good volume because why? It couldn't break above all-time high on time. So we expected the pullback of Bitcoin, all right, give and take. I've already sold part of Bitcoin. I'm just using an example. These are like technical indicators or market indicator, price indicator. In moment I saw this MACD line crossing the signal line as a wall, the volume was dropping, checking the histogram. I'm not taking us to this so that some of us who have been so naive about cryptocurrency, hey, I've checked my technical indicators and all of that. And for that, yes, this stands out for already established coin that have previous data for a very long time. And then I'll say, or the market, of course, must pull back. And then having checked the market retracement. After the long trend up here, we have a retracement, what we call trend change or pattern change, as it were. So now or trend reversal, you can call it trend reversal in the staircase, So I expect a kind of a strong support at 60,000. And if it happened that like last year or before Bitcoin came down again, break below this cloud, then probably below 59K, that means we are not in another trouble to pull that. Now, I'm not here for that today, but why I'm bringing this, there's so many persons that's going to confuse your brain about cryptocurrency. We have technical analysis, one aspect to buy into a project. We have fundamental analysis, part of the factor to buy into project, and we have market sentiment, part of the factor. But do you know that a funny talk came of what we call pumpamental analysis? What a pumpamental analysis? There are people who indulge in pump and dump of coins. They will have bought certain volume of coins in the market and have it in their hands and begin to call it out to different communities for those people to buy. And that's why we say a coin rock pool. Now, when a coin rock pool, what are the factors that make a coin to rock pool? Factor one, if you involve in pre-sale coin, which is the most common thing today, pre-mine coins are running pre-sale, airdrops, and all of that. Then you buy into it, you discover that one particular wallet will hold 80% of such coin. And then some other group of people do pump and dump are going to be calling out such coin to gullible people as a signal, and people beginning to buy into it. And then you see that such coin will be pumping out excessively, all right? When those coins are pumping out excessively, people are, oh my God, what's happening? And then some FOMO into some of those coins and lose out. And that's why you can wake up, you see a coin to do, look at this coin now, dot down, doing how many percent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's about 10 million percent. Okay, this is about 10 million percent. You have, these are what we call shitcoin, for instance, 10 million percent. This is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's about 930%, right? There's 37 or 3,755%. This does this upcake in that order. I'm just showing us this. Now, a good number of people buying to some of those projects as fast as possible, because of pumpamental activities, right? Like this coin, we've been working this coin from less than penny last week, and I wasn't surprised because I saw a lot of pumpamental activities about this coin. Now, I'm just giving us some indicators. So, your friend is going to come to you. If I tell you that this coin last week was having as low as less, not up to $1, not even up to a penny. And as at today, this coin was at $7. Yeah, today, yeah, was about $7. Now, of course, you can have pump and dump activities in some coin without reasonable project around it. All right. Now, over time, they can be listed anywhere. Now it's in CoinMarketCap. You can come back after 1 month, 2 months, if some of those projects were not worthwhile, eventually can be delisted. I'm arriving at somewhere that one of the yardstick, not all of the yardsticks, that, okay, if a coin is listed on CoinMarketCap, is traded on top exchange platforms, and then it has a limited volume, not too plenty volumes, then it's going to do well. That may not be too true. So do not be absolute. A lot of people have been so absolute about cryptocurrency, and they miss out big time because the absolutism in the crypto space have left a lot of people from taking advantage of things that will have bettered their life today. Okay. So I'm arriving at somewhere that cryptocurrency start changing the trend of activities. What actually work more in cryptocurrency project is fundamental. Now, does that mean technical indicators or technical analysis does not really work in crypto? It does, but it could contrast or expand. For instance, you may have analyzed a coin of a time it should retrace. It may take longer than necessary than the time you actually projected. Why? Because the fundamental becomes stronger than the technical. Example, Bitcoin got to $20,000 of the all-time high. It was expected to pull back because of the resistance previously. And technically, it has been analyzed to pull back and start taking the new trend. But Bitcoin defy all the technical analysis. What happens? Somebody just start tweeting around, I love my Bitcoin, stuff like that. Bitcoin began to pump and got to $65,000. Now, until 59, Elon Musk start talking, just one man talking anyhow about crypto, about Bitcoins especially, and defy all the technical indicators and begin to crash down to as low as 28,000. So get that to your mind today. Community define how a coin may go, especially if it has a use case. So I'm showing all of these so that you meet a friend is going to tell you if a coin is not on CoinMarketCap, if a coin, especially in Zeniq, since it's not on CoinMarketCap and since it's not on Binance, I'm not going to buy into it. What you'll need to learn in crypto is to learn how to buy the rumor and sell the news. Okay, so I've just shown us these, and then I'm going to go very quickly back over here. The opportunity we are presenting to you. I brought out this coin because I know I have done this before. And I told a lot of people, I said, why I decided to be alone for myself and follow my own personal opinion and decide what I wanted was example, a lot of projects I can use as an indicator for that. That's the beginning of my own independent decision when it has to do with cryptocurrency. I told us I attended a meeting for this coin, and then the CEO of this coin, Hex, that's Richard Hart, talking about this coin. As at that time, there was nothing called Uniswap, and then no much person knew about DEX system. And then Richard Hart was interviewed to talk about this coin, and then how will people buy into it? Please take note of this. Do not be too absolute when it has to do with cryptocurrency. Don't adopt dependent theory, rather adopt use theory. Okay, do not be too absolute. Then take to your own personal decision. Do not be a slave to someone's opinion and ideology, even if you're a mentor. Even Felix, don't be a slave to my ideology. I know my ideology and I work with it. If it works for you, fine, but be very careful. If you lose out by lost because you invest and you lost, it's better than you don't invest because somebody's talking somewhere that is not a good project and you chicken out, you may regret it for life. I'm just speaking from experience. You may regret it for life that you chicken out just because of someone's opinion. That was what will have happened to me on this coin. Now, in a training, in a workshop, he was being attacked. The CEO of X was being attacked. Hey, this is a scam. This is this. Do you know why? Now, the process of participating on Hex that time, take note, if you have been in cryptocurrency, you can read more about it, and was that we're going to buy into the coin. What's the coin going to be? He said this coin will not be listed from the beginning on centralized exchange, Binance, Bittrex, Bini, any coin, any exchange platform. Where is it going to be listed? It's going to be listed on decentralized exchange. Okay, number one, that was strange. Not many persons knew about decentralized exchange. Number two, the decentralized exchange going to be listed is Uniswap. No much person knew anything called Uniswap. Number three, how do we now buy into it? Okay, you're going to send your Ethereum called certificate of deposit into Hex back office, into Hex portal. Wow. We're already suspecting something to be a scam. You say we should send our Ethereum into a particular portal that we are not sure of. It was already a red flag, and many people calling it, scam and stuff like that. Now, why am I bringing this? Because you may learn a lesson, and that's exactly what happened from the beginning of Zeniq Sapphire. A lot of friends have come to me, which they're already regretting though, but the regret have not actually started. It is when we get to the real mature level that many will start regretting of their action or indecision or being a slave to someone's philosophy. Now, how do we buy into it? They say deposit your Ethereum, called certificate of deposit. And I haven't done that. How many Hex are going to be given to you? We don't know. When? Nobody knew. So now I stubbornly, dropped mine, and then it took a long time before we're distributed to. That means for that period, if it takes 6 months, if it takes 9 months, nothing, no business activities, nothing. I was only waiting by hope and having faith that it's going to come. What if it didn't come? That means the money is gone. So understand this trend. So that continues. Then until we begin to read more about this project, everywhere online is a scam. Don't you see? Everybody who have deposited their money called certificate of deposit have lost their money. Oh my God, we're panicking. Now, guess what? What I did was that the minute the coin came out, I sold my own volume. The volume I sold, so that you'll see why I'm very aggressive on Zeniq. When I sold my volume, the coin was as cheap as this, 0.00001451. And the volume I sold at $1,000, it was about 60-something billion units. Now, when I check the volume I sold at $1,000, now, please follow me. I look at it, $1,000, sorry. Yeah, $1,000, that means 1, 2, 3, all right, divide by 0.00001451. Sorry. Okay, let's go this way. $1,000, and I just hope somebody is going to learn. Divide by 1,000, divide by 0.00001451. So that's about 68 billion units of the coin. And that was wasted, okay? That was wasted. Now, when the coin move up, this coin have done all-time high of 51 cents. But even at the prevailing rate, let's look at it, multiply by 0.2883. That's about $19.8 million. $19.8 million. But I wasted mine, but I didn't waste all because I staked some. So I stake it for 5 years. I'm not touching, I'm not going anywhere there. And anytime I check this coin, I just smile inside me. Now, the time that many people start buying this coin, guess what? That was when the coin was already like 4 cents. So $1,000 divided by, I remember when I did training on this coin, was around 4 cents some time past. That means $1,000 will only buy 25,000 pieces. Now, even at that, multiply by 0.2883, that means it's about $7,000. There was no magic anyone will have done to meet up with my foolishness of the beginning. But many people were too smart and were wiser than me. I was so foolish enough to buy into it. And I have numerous projects like that. Just brought this for you to understand that when it has to do with cryptocurrency, you must be personal, you must be foolish, you must be dedicated, you must be disciplined, and you must be focused. You have to be personal, as a matter of fact. Now, the same thing has happened that way. No matter what this coin come to, I cannot lose on it again. It's not possible because there was no how this coin is going to go back to where I bought it from. But it was called name scam and all of that. Today, it has launched another project called Postchain. But have we been giving this coin, Postchain? No. We have deposited a lot of Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Hex coin and all of that. For more than how many months now, we've not been giving. I'm just sharing an idea with us. Those of us who have been in crypto, we are passionate. We have deposited our money to get this Postchain as a coin. We have not been giving. How many are we going to be giving? Nobody knew. You can see how many risks we are taking. So nobody knows how much volume of the coin we're going to be giving. I personally deposited about 3 Ethereum, and I don't know how many volume of this coin I'm going to be giving. So please, ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing you an opportunity that, number one, it has 2 patterns. The Zeniq Sapphire has 2 patterns. So I'm going to log into Zeniq portal. Zeniq.com. So if you are with your system, you can log into Zeniq.com. Zeniq.com is a product that we marketed through Sapphire Global. Now, Zeniq.com has a proposed activities to launch its own decentralized exchange. And this decentralized exchange, every income generated from it is to be shared to every investors and holders of the coin in the ecosystem. So you have just launched yourself. If you have started or you're about to start, you've just launched yourself into an ecosystem that as the trading activities start happening, when the decentralized exchange of this company is launched, you make profit from the trading. And just like from the report I heard today in Dubai, was that not only decentralized exchange, then other exchange will be launched. Now, by the grace of God, the coin was not to wait for anybody. I just could imagine if Zeniq were to operate like Hex when I got started with Hex. I know many of my friends who even started wouldn't have started. So imagine if I could start a project and bought into it that I didn't know when I'm going to be distributed to. I wouldn't know how many volume I'm going to be given, and I still invested my money. Why? I bought into the rumor and I'm selling the news. Everyone now is jumping off. Let me buy Hex. Let me buy Shiba. Let me buy Kishu. I can't buy them. It's too expensive for me because I cannot imagine myself of a coin I have bought from 0.0000008 zeros. That is a significant figure. So an insignificant figure had given so much money, and somebody's asking me to use my money to buy Shiba. I'm not saying if you want to buy, you shouldn't buy, but it's quite expensive for me because I don't know how much I will spend now to have about 20 billion Shiba. That would be so difficult. In other words, we are buying the rumor to sell the new. I just hope your own case will not be like that on Zeniq coin, that you are being presented opportunity to call Zeniq coin, and then because of a lot of friends who claim to know so much and they know next to nothing, make you missed out. It is better you decide and missed out than a friend misled you and you missed out. So decentralized exchange, one of the products of this company, I'm going to go very fast. The company is to produce its own app. Of course, the app is already on and running. Chidera, I'm going to delete you because I'm unmuting you, and then you keep on the. Please adopt discipline, please. So now I'm just showing you this. If you're coming into Zeniq Sapphire Global, you are a shareholder into the exchange platform. You have opportunity to be a shareholder in tokenized asset. Of course, the app is already up and running. You can download the app on Android. The iOS version will come on soon. And so wait for it if you are using iOS. If you use Android, you can get it downloaded. Now you are buying into a hub that will be producing this coin. Please, this coin is not a pre-mined coin, number one. Two, it's not saturated in the market. It's coming into the market in a gradual process just how we have Bitcoin mining. This is a new technology called minting. So you are minting the coin. But this is the disadvantage for many people who wait until it's obvious. I was telling somebody the other day, I discovered 2-3 months ago, 1,499 euro package of Zeniq could mint me 32 coins per day. And so I'm minting about 1,035 coins per month. But right now, you can only mint average of 200, 250 to 300. A time is going to come, what you may be able to mint for the whole year may not be more than 300. Maybe that time the coin must have been $50 or $100. But I told myself, Felix, will I wait till when the coin is becoming more difficult to mint and the price is up? So your options of, let me go to the market and buy, is expensive. Let me mint, you need big money. Just like Bitcoin mining now, people are still mining Bitcoin, but how many retail trade miners can mine Bitcoin now? Not much. Celsius Network just acquired new mining, Bitcoin mining in the US, but a lot of people are running away from it. So at that time, it becoming more stronger and difficult, but it can be more shareable to the bourgeois and capitalists who can afford it. So we're just showing you an opportunity of having your own coin minting app and producing your coin, waiting for the right time, to dispose your coin as much as possible. Now, of course, the Zeniq coin, you can read more about it. I'm going to do a paraphrase. That's what I'm doing tonight. Then this coin have its own blockchain. So if you go to Zeniq.com and you click on minting, it's going to show you the Explorer to show you that this coin have its own blockchain, and it's the own blockchain that the exchange will be launched on, so that the transactional fee will not be too much, because it's going to be using Zeniq coin for the transactional fee. So get to understand that what you are doing now is like you are coming into a company that's offering you a pre-sale package or private placement. And so when it's now publicly quoted in a stock exchange market, then the whole populace now begin to buy. At that time, you're only building the economy of the existing people who bought the rumor. And that's exactly what most of us are doing. And I want to advise, and I want it to people who understand how we operate in crypto space, that as you are minting your coin, do not waste it. Because a time is going to come, if you waste 1,000 coin today, maybe at 35 cents, what happens when the coin is $35? So exactly what we do. So, but this is an opportunity in Zeniq Sapphire that make us, get crazier day by day, because we've seen a lot and what this thing have to offer. Now, I've just showed you, where can I find this coin? Of course, I say one of its aggregator is you go to Pllanbxpress.com. It's an aggregator. We have numerous aggregators you can have. I've just showed you. I'm a trader. I'm a crypto researcher, and I use so many aggregators. Not all aggregators give you what I want, because different aggregators for different purposes and for different type of coins, as it were. Some you have to even pay to get the best. Like Messari is an advanced aggregator that I use. Like Glassnode is an on-chain, aggregator that reveals to you so many things. So I know a lot of people, they just know about CoinMarketCap and they think that it's only CoinMarketCap. No. Yeah, you can do a lot of things on CoinMarketCap, but not everything you can do on CoinMarketCap. I can tell you that some of market prediction you can do on Nomics, you cannot do it on CoinMarketCap. So just understand it. Understand that as a human being, you need to be dynamic and learn both horizontal and vertical, so that you not be limited unnecessarily. Some could learn too vertical, and horizontal will deal with them. So please, that's exactly what we're doing. So you have different platforms. So Zeniq can be found on Nomics.com. Why? To read detail about the pricing, when the price was still at 4 cents, and how to copy the contract address. Or you can go to the website itself, and then by default on the home page, you can find the contract address of Zeniq here. And then for those of you say, can I buy Zeniq? Why not? You can buy Zeniq on Uniswap, on PancakeSwap now. PancakeSwap just opened today. So you can go to PancakeSwap and search out for Zeniq as much as you can and buy Zeniq coin from PancakeSwap. Okay? Now, many a times friends have called me, why is this coin? You have to review your why is this coin not doing this? Why is this coin not doing that? So all I am doing, Felix, is I am buying the rumor and to sell the news. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a platform that you can mint your coin and hold it or sell it for a waste. So I'm going to go very quickly. Two opportunities in Zeniq and Sapphire Global. So I can use a back office to demonstrate what I want to do so that I can be live, okay? I'm going to use a back office to demonstrate what I want to do, can be live. Good. Now, this is Zeniq back office, Sapphire. Sapphire is the interface that embraces everyone who wants to become an investor into Zeniq, minting hub, and at the same time want to be a businessman. Like I told you, I have bought into so many coins now. In the next 2 years, I will not be giving. Some in the next 1 year, I will not be giving. What should I be doing for the next 1 year? Nothing. You can see the beginning of my craze and my madness in Zeniq. I'm minting a coin and I have opportunity to build business on it. And the coin I'm minting, I'm seeing it on daily basis. I'm at liberty to sell it, which I call waste because it's not mature yet. Why am I selling it? To do what with the money? So Zeniq is still an amateur, then there's no point wasting it. So I bought into different cryptocurrency that in the next 1 year, 2 years before I'll be distributed. Then why do I not get crazier here? They have opportunity. Number one, you can mint coins. So this example of coins minted, you can look at this as a back office. There's about 13,794 coins here. The package is done, is bigger, okay? So understand why many people tell you, don't buy lesser packages. One of my friends was on call with me the other day. He was saying, Felix, let me just test the water with 1,499 euro. I say, friend, you know you are my friend? He say, yeah. You know you're my friend? Say, yeah. I know you have the money. Now, I'm not telling you to give me the money. The least I can advise for you, because I know you have the money. He said, yeah. I said, the least I can advise for you to do is 11,300 euro. You will thank me after 12 months. He's not going to pay me anything. Yes, if I'm the one that invited him directly, the worst that will happen is that they pay me 9% of what's going to buy. By the time we come, those referral bonus you are making will be insignificant to what the worth of the coin. Why do I told him that? Because I know if he's buying, let me test the water with 1,499 euro now. If you now see the thing is obvious, the company is coming bigger. They have now make a landmark. Oh my God, after like 1 year. Felix, you know what? Let me do 43,000 euro package. I can tell you 43,000 euro package in the next 1 year or plus may not mint what 1,499 euro would mint. But why would people still buy into Zeniq at that time? Number one, who knows? Maybe the hub selling must have stopped. But why would people still buy into it? Remember, it's not only the minting of the coin that's available on Zeniq. We're talking of tokenization. We're talking about DEX, reward income, and so many other futures in Zeniq. So it's a big ecosystem. And so many persons will still buy into what they see. Now, at that time, I will remind many of us, what many of your friends will say, oh my God, I wish I knew when they were minting. Anyway, no problem. Let's take the one we see, because I tell friends, anytime you wake up is your good morning, but I pray you make use of your money. Because when you wake up, it's your money, but are you making use of your money? That's one of the fantastic things you must understand. So your coin is minted. You can get it withdrawn if you wish, and then you can leave it because we are still learning. The opportunity is still very fresh, but there's a need for emergency move. Why? Because the packages, I'm going to show you what are the packages in Zeniq Sapphire. We have different packages in Zeniq Sapphire. The lowest package as a hub is 1,499 euro. Why? That's where you have a full masternode. But if you do this, that means you have two. If you do 5,800 euro, that means you have four, and in that order, up and up and up. If you do 5,800 euro, you have 4 hubs. If you do this 11,300 euro, you have 8 hubs. You know, if you will do 22,000 euro, you have 16 hubs. If you do 43,500 euro, you have 32 hubs. And then if you do 86,000 euro, you have 64 hubs. Now 128 hub, that's 168,000 euro. And then if you do the last package and the biggest package is 256 hub, which is 330,000 euro package, as it were. Now, if you do not have money, what's the difference between this and this? These come with a physical hub. Some of you from our forum, you see it was demonstrated on the forum of the physical hub. Now, this is a combination, okay? This is a combination of this hub and additional tablet, this tablet. So these tablets can store additional coin as what we call hardware wallet, and it can do any function you want to use it to do. And then you are minting with it. So don't get it twisted. You are not minting more than this. You only have additional gadget, okay? So get to understand this. But is this one distributed to every part of the country now? No. Even when it starts, it's going to be within Asia, Europe, Africa. I don't know when it's going to start. Now, if you don't have much money, of course, you may want to start as a student package. That's when you now go to 800 euro, and then 450 euro, right? You have 150 euro or 250 euro. Then you have 150 euro, and then you have 100 euro. Now, when you are here, I call it student package or cooperative management system. So because you are not a full hub. Now, that doesn't mean or negate you not to be part of it. Rather than have none, it's better you start with something. And so you can now have it in your mind that I need to add up eventually. Then you have to make it, you have to hasten up, but if you don't have, no problem. It's better than none. Okay, so please don't feel negated that Smoky Fellas just relegated us to background. Does he think Nigeria is easy? That's more reason why you need to get crazy. Everything in the world today is abnormal. So you don't need normal approach to approach abnormal situation. You need an aggressive face, an aggressive strategy to address aggressive problem. I've been telling our friends, expenses will never stop, either you like it or not. People say, let me teach you how to cut down your expenses. You are just cutting down your life. The best is to look for bigger money, bigger income stream that will swallow your expenses. You can't cut down expenses. Don't deceive yourself. Good life costs good food. Good food comes from good money. Good money comes from good business. All you need, look for good business and make good money, and any life can be taken care of. So that's the investment part of this system. You can be making money passively. You can withdraw your coin, store it in your wallet, or you can sell it as you wish. Nobody stopped you. Then the second part of this business is the income system, right? The income system of this platform is what we call the business model. Now, let me quickly explain to you from the dashboard so that we don't go here and there. If you look at these figures on this dashboard, there's this figure here, 37,926 euro. There is this figure here, 6,022 euro. There's another one you may not see. Now, this figure here is accumulated income on daily basis from what we call unilevel. And the unilevel starts from level 1 to level 15 deep. Anyone you invited to your system who pick a package that is interested to build the business or not, you do not need to coerce anyone to build the business. He can be part of the people who can be accumulating this. If you look at this account is just 3 months, 8 days today. Today is 2022, so 13th, 13th. So it's about 3 months, 8 days today. That means what it has earned from multiple chain store is 37,926. That is one strut of income that you have invited friends and they have invited their friends to 15th level deep. Then you can be making a little drop of waters on daily basis because people from north, south, east, and different parts of the world are buying their hubs, and then you make money, right? The second part is the ranking income. So the ranking income is actually very crazy. If you look at this account now, this is like, we have different ranking, and then just bring it up here very fast so that you can see. So please, those of you who are in Zeniq and you are still asking a lot of questions, you can go to your media center and write up and bring up the PDF file to read more. So this is your business. You need to study more to understand your business. Stop asking, oh, I don't see material to read. It's in your back office. Everything, videos and everything is in your back office. So very quickly, I'm going to show you all these other income streams just very fast now so that you can ask your question. So uni-level income, after that, that's the one that I've accumulated. You see that. Then career bonus. So the total, the three together is where you share 69% from the business, from the company. So 9% to deep to 15 downward. And then the second part is the career bonus. So career bonus starts majorly from Ruby, double Ruby, Sapphire, double Sapphire. What do I actually need to do to become a Ruby? If I've personally invited 10 friends or 7 people into the system, and the total global performance sales volume in my organization is 10,000, then I make 3,000 euro because it's star one NAN. Then you make 300 euro for your ranking. Then if you are double Ruby, you make 600 euro. If you have Sapphire, you make 3,000 euro if you are double sapphire, you make 9,000 euro if you are black sapphire, you make 15,000 euro. Every one of us are struggling to get to this place. We only have one of these in the whole Africa today, and we are privileged. It's one of our leader. That's our leader in Africa, the person of Ambassador Light, and that's the only one person in Africa that have achieved this rank. That means immediately he became a diamond, he pocketed 40,000 euro to his account. In Nigerian naira, by exchange rate of about 700, that's about 28 million naira. Without question from anyone, it's pocketed to his pocket, and then it's fine. So if you see anyone who have ranked from this to this, that milestone is a cumulative income of about 67,900 euro. 300 plus 600 plus 3,000, that is 3,900 plus 9,000, that's 12,900 plus 15,000, that's 27,900 plus 40,000, that is 67,900. So when you see anyone in Sapphire who says a rank leader at diamond, he has already made 67,900 from only career income. Now, the third income is crazy, is what we call global pool earnings, a profit share. It doesn't matter who is in your team. This is from the global sales volume. At every from first to the second or third or fourth or fifth to 10th maximum of the subsequent month, every total volume sales, 10% of it is carved out to pay to all the rank leaders from Ruby, double Ruby, Sapphire, double Sapphire, black Sapphire, and then diamond till da. I'm not going to go to double diamond. You have to count one before you count two. Why I could get to diamond is because we already have one diamond in Africa. Okay. And we're lucky to be is our own team leader. Okay. So Ruby, you make as a star one person averagely, I've recorded, that's what you see here. Now, I say I'm 3 months and 8 days in this system. That means I've only earned 3 times of this, and that's what you are seeing here. 6,022 euro. This is cumulative earning of, there was 363 euro when it was double Ruby, and there was 2,630 euro. That was Sapphire. Then the previous time, double Sapphire, about 3,000 euro thereabout. So that would make cumulative of this. So that means this account now is a black Sapphire, for instance. By next month, this account should be expecting from 6,000 to about 10,000 euro as this profit share. And this is going to happen for the next 6 months. If the account stay on that black Sapphire for the next 6 months, it's going to be receiving average of 6,000 to 10,000 euro from the global push shares for the next 6 months. So ladies and gentlemen, and that's what we do in this business, and then a lot of things are happening, updates are coming in. So it is time to regain control of our own finances. So today truly is time. Ladies and gentlemen, I know you are here tonight and your friends was here. If your friend invited you to this meeting, after this meeting, I want you to go back to the friend and say thank you. I know a lot of friends will say, oh, this is Jamboree, this is one of those things and all of that. Please, Zeniq Sapphire is not an investment platform that pays you percentages on a daily basis, on monthly basis, or a fixed percent of we trade and pay you percentage. No, you're buying into a project, an ecosystem that will earn you a lifetime income, both in the minting hub, in the profit shared from the decentralized exchange, from tokenization, then from business building. So it's a dual opportunity. What a rare opportunity indeed, and that you can make money. I've told you my own case. I've invested in different platforms that I'm expecting the next 1 year before I can receive my coin, and I do nothing. So imagine when I'll be 1 year in this organization. So on that note, I told myself, Alex, where are you going to be in this organization in 3 months? So I've achieved that. It was beyond what I targeted. And now I'm now in the second 3 months to make it 6 months. I want to see where the milestone. Then after the 6 months, the next target is 12 months. I want to see the milestone, and then 24 months. Then I will be ready to do the business. This what I'm still doing is like preamble and pre-launch, as it were. So thank you very much. You have a question, I will attend to those that must have typed their questions on the chat box. And then after that, if your hand is up, then you can be given an opportunity to ask questions. Please, I'm not seeing deposit on my Sapphire account. Maybe you are not going to appropriate place. It's there. Please help me, sir. It's there. Where is your location? If your VPN is on, please off it. Okay. Thank you very much. Somebody's already answering you. Okay, click on wallet. You will see deposit. God bless you. This is Agatros. If you buy Zeniq coin through any of the DEX in MetaMask or Trust Wallet, will it still be minting for you in the wallet? You are doing two different things. Minting is the producer of the coin you go to buy in the market. So the one you're buying in the market is the one that have been minted and in circulation. So that doesn't make you a minter. A minter is a farmer who produces it and you buy it to consume it. So you are just a trader and not a minter. So thank you very much. Capital No. God bless you. All right, Christiana, please, you can ask your question. Unmute yourself and ask your question. Christiana? Christiana, can you go ahead and ask your question, please? I don't know. Somebody's asking with small amount of 150 euro can you mint? Yes. 100 euro you can mint, but 100% of zero is zero. So you can't mint the same with somebody who is minting with 1,499 euro. And that's why I told people from the beginning, start as fast as possible. So you can mint, it doesn't matter, you can mint fractions and so, but you will be minting. Okay. So Christiana is not asking question. Your hand was up, I say, unmute yourself. Okay, Isioma, please, can you go ahead? Unmute yourself and ask your question, please. Isioma, please, ask your question.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Yeah, Ida Isioma?
Yeah.
Okay,
oh,
okay.
So, sir, okay, though I'm new, I think
okay.
I just want to find out what was the figure of Zeniq as at 3 months ago and what is it presently compared to dollar?